In this process, the story begins with a simple piece of metal which at first appears to have little value. However, through precision and skill, this basic material can be transformed into something refined, a unique luxury watch. At the beginning, the metal piece is carefully prepared, with precise lines marked on its surface to divide it into equal sections for easier shaping. The pieces are then stacked together and firmly welded, forming a single solid block. To improve handling during the process, an additional metal rod is attached, serving as a grip, especially when placing it in and out of the fire. Next, the metal is heated to a high temperature, making it softer and ready for shaping. It is then placed under a powerful press, where it is hammered and compressed repeatedly until it forms a uniform rectangular shape. As this process continues, all parts bond together, transforming from separate pieces into one solid block, ready for the next stage of creation. After the metal piece becomes flat and uniform, a more precise shaping stage begins. At this step, the metal is heated once again, and a round-headed tool is used to strike the surface and create a circular impression. This mark does not cut through the metal, but compresses it, forming a defined circular shape on its surface. Next, the section containing this circular mark is cut out, creating a smaller, separate piece. The piece is then placed on a high-speed rotating sanding machine, where it is passed over the surface repeatedly. With each pass, the thickness of the metal gradually decreases, making it thinner and more refined. This process is repeated multiple times until the desired thinness is achieved, preparing the piece for more precise stages in watchmaking. After achieving the desired thickness, one of the most precise stages begins, transforming this thin metal piece into the foundation of the watch. At this point, a detailed digital design is prepared, containing all the essential elements of the watch, including its circular shape, number positions, and openings for the hands. This design allows no room for error, as every measurement is carefully calibrated, since even the slightest deviation can affect the balance and function of the watch. The design is then transferred to a laser cutting machine, capable of cutting the metal with extreme precision. The process begins by cutting the outer circular shape, followed by the internal details, such as the center hole for the hands and the positioning of the markers. This operation requires exceptional accuracy, with the laser guided along precise paths, ensuring a clean and perfectly aligned result. Once completed, the thin metal piece is transformed into a fully defined watch dial, ready for the next stages of refinement and assembly. G. After all these precise stages, the process reaches its defining moment, final assembly. At this stage, all the carefully crafted components are brought together, from the metal dial to the smallest refined details. Each piece is placed with extreme precision, leaving no room for error, as every component plays a vital role in the watch's function and harmony. As the assembly is completed, the final form begins to emerge, transforming individual parts into one complete piece. The result? A luxury watch, combining engineering precision with artistic beauty. A journey that started with a simple piece of metal and ended with a remarkable creation, reflecting true craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this incredible transformation from a simple piece of metal into a luxury watch, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Your support helps us keep creating more amazing content. Thanks for watching.